Hi, I'm Ed Highland at the MD&M News Desk, and I'm joined now by Jeff Haskell, Senior Account Executive for Compliance Quest. Jeff, thanks for coming by.
Thanks for having me.
I want to talk a little bit about who is Compliance Quest? What exactly do you do?
So, Compliance Quest is a global quality management company. It's 100% cloud-based on the Salesforce platform. So, really, the software is designed for medical device and manufacturing companies to have an easy-to-use solution to follow all the different regulations and guidelines they have to follow. It consists of 20 different products. They're all fully integrated and they can be used independently or all together. And it provides users with all of the dashboards, reports, analytics, everything a user needs, and it only takes probably 5 to 10 minutes to train the end users how to use it. So it kind of changes the game in the software world.
Since we had a chance to chat before starting this, I know you have a lot of stories, but we
yes.
want to know about the Compliance Quest story. I mean, obviously give us some ideas of how you built your product, where it came from, sort of its origins.
So every great company starts out with a vision, and really the vision that our founder had for the company was to build the next generation cloud software program for enterprise quality management. So he actually owned a different enterprise quality management company and realized that he couldn't take the old technology to and deliver it to the new companies. So he sold his old software company and decided to build his vision from the ground up on a new platform, which is Salesforce. So essentially he tried to bring together a great group of people. So most of the people in our company have 20 to 25 years experience at one of the other enterprise quality management companies. We actually added it up and we have over 1,000 man years of experience in our employee base. So a lot of technical people there, but essentially what that did was allow us to bypass the mistakes that most companies make, most start-off software companies make in building a great product, and help us to grow and develop our product very, very quickly.
Well, I want to pull this out a little bit more if I could and ask a little bit more about how Compliance Quest technology makes it different than other quality management type products.
So one of the biggest differentiators we have against any of the other companies really in the market is the platform that we built our solution on. So our solution is 100% natively built on Salesforce. Salesforce is the #1 development tool in pretty much the world. And really what they're focused on is security, availability, infrastructure, language localization, and those type of things. And most other companies spend a little money trying to do those things. Salesforce spends $2 billion a year on their infrastructure. So while they get a focus on the infrastructure and all the real technical things, what it allows us to do is focus 100% of our time and energy on building the next generation best quality management system in the world.
Does that make it easier and more user-friendly, so to speak?
It makes it a lot user-friendly. The Salesforce platform actually has a mobile interface. So from anywhere in the world, employees can do anything they need to do, whether it is approve a document, do their training, find information they need. They can do it from any mobile device in the world or from any computer.
Let's talk about customers. How accepted is it? How many customers do you have? If it's not too proprietary.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So we currently have over 150,000 users using our software. We have over 1,000 sites, customer sites, using our software, and that is globally. So we're not just a local company. This is all of our customer bases around the world. So
let's talk about all the customers here. What kind of processes can be automated using Compliance Quest?
So as I mentioned, we have roughly 20 different products in our infrastructure, and it covers everything from document management, training, corrective and preventative actions, customer complaints, and a lot of those are very specific to medical device companies. We also have audit software, supplier management software. We've just released an entire environmental quality suite as well to help people with different regulations on the environmental side. So all that really affects general manufacturing and medical device companies a lot.
Well, tell us a little bit more. Exactly how does Compliance Quest, your technology, really help medical device and manufacturing companies?
So medical device companies have very strict regulations they have to follow. As far as their design control requirements and different requirements they have to meet. So what we've basically done is we've hard baked all of those processes based on best practice into our software. So rather than each company having to try and recreate the wheel every time, they can turn our software on, it's ready to go out of the box, deploy it to their users, spend a few minutes teaching their users how to use it, and they are off and running and using the software immediately. But they don't have to worry about trying to design the software to meet those regulations. They're hard baked into the system and it's ready to go out of the box.
Now, is this something that can be utilized globally and not just the U.S.?
Yeah, absolutely. So as I mentioned, our customers are spread all over the globe. And fortunately, Salesforce has put so much time and effort into their infrastructure that, again, from whether you're using an Android phone, an Apple phone, Mac, or a normal PC, you can access the systems anywhere in the world. They also do language localization. So it doesn't matter if you have a facility in China, the language automatically transfers so you don't have to try and do translations on other software. You turn a button and it flips the languages, so no matter where you are, China, Japan, Europe, France, Germany, all the languages will transfer automatically, so it makes it very easy for a global company to adopt it.
So languages and the regulations that might be in effect in different locations?
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, give us some idea about not only now, but what you're looking at in the crystal ball for down the road and for Compliance Quest.
So Compliance Quest is continually working with our customer base and talking to them about how to make our software better. So all of our development that we're doing is based on our customers' feedback. So as I mentioned earlier, we just released an environmental sustainability package within our software. That is all coming to the marketplace right now. We're also coming up with some very advanced design control options for our medical device customers. And we're also releasing a bunch of clinical software. So a lot of these regulated companies, whether it's a medical device or pharmaceutical, you have to do a lot of research, get approvals. Our software helps them get their products to the market much faster to help streamline that entire process.
I think that last sentence would sell a lot of people. Get your products to the market faster.
Absolutely.
Jeff Haskell, thank you so much for joining us here at the News Desk.
Thanks for having me, I appreciate it.
And this is the News Desk at MD&M West.